Hey everyone, so are you cars? We are starting the day off today with this 2016 Audi A4 Black Edition. This one is a 2-litre Tdi Quattro. It's the 177 bhp model, so it's no AdBlue, or not to my knowledge anyway, but it is ULEZ compliant. So a bit of a rare thing. No AdBlue issues going forward, but also ULEZ compliant. It's finished in Daytona Grey with 59,000 miles. It's got 8 services, 7 of which have all been carried out at Audi. And yeah, really nice thing. It's got your typical Black Edition spec. So you get the full black pack, front and rear parking sensors, Xenon lights. It rides on the 19-inch upgraded alloys, factory fitted. Can't remember the name, V-spokes, I believe. Power fold mirrors, gloss black, of course. You get the gloss black trims. A proper nice looking bit of kit. Your reg number is there for any checks that you guys may wish to carry out, but it will come with an MOT, service, warranty, all included within the price. No additional fees, etc. with us guys. But I think you'll agree, for 9 years old, this car is superb. It's had 4 recent tyres, they've all got about 5 or 6 mil on them. And I'll show you inside. We'll start with the boot as usual. Let's get the key. A good sized boot with the split folding rear seats. Again, a bit of a rare thing for a saloon car. We've got your floor mats, and you do get a space saver spare wheel just beneath there, look. No nasty smells or anything in there, of course. Your AdBlue, for anybody interested, would usually be there. You see, no AdBlue. We've got your part leather, which again, all really nice, with the Isofix in the back, and your centre armrest. Rear electric windows. And same in the front. Front seats are heated. All very clean. The camera, for some reason, always makes these seats look dirty, but I can assure you they are not. You've got the flat bottom steering wheel, which is multifunction. And like new, the condition of that. Folding mirrors, electric windows all around. And your Bang & Olufsen audio. Auto lights and wipers. Cruise control. If you just bear with me while I grab the key out of my pocket again and start her up for you. Oh. Battery's just a bit low from having the doors open, drying it out. Nothing to worry about. As you can see, there's no warnings or anything. It's all perfect. Drives really well. It's got your media interface, nav and DAB. So as you can see there, we've got DAB radio. Obviously we get your FM AM as well. It's just waking up. But you do have the media interface and the connectivity in the glove box, I believe. Yeah, I can see it there. It's all still loading. We'll come back to that. Dual climate control, heated front seats, 6-speed manual. Your centre console and your switchgear is all immaculate. Your cup holders, your storage under the armrest. Immediate connectivity just there, look if you can see that. Oh, and now we're awake on the nav. So you've got navigation, your Bluetooth telephone, your radio, and your media with your Bluetooth audio and your media interface, SD card, and jukebox. I don't know if there's anything on the jukebox. No, nothing on the jukebox, but there you go. Other than that, a cracking car. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll book you in for a test drive. And if you are considering financing the vehicle, we can assist with that. We do work with a number of brokers and lenders. We are fully FCA regulated. Thanks for watching.